Location updating in GSM is very important process, even for network also and examination point of view also. The location updating can be done using these three procedures. One is location updating, that is normal location updating, IMSI attach, periodic registration. Main steps in location updating is number one, that is system information, radio resource connection establishment, service indication, authentication, updating, acceptance, and channel release. IMSI attach is a complement to IMSI detach. IMSI attach is actually the mobile station is powered on state. Powered off state is known as IMSI detach, but technically it is IMSI attach to the network, and IMSI attach, that is switch off condition, is IMSI detach to the network. So these are the steps in IMSI attach and IMSI detach. They will all run through SDCCH, standalone dedicated control channels. So IMSI attach message is going to MS. MSC sends IMSI attach message to VLR. VLR removes all IMSI detach flags, resumes normal call handling for the mobile station. VLR returns IMSI attach acknowledgement message to MSC. MSC and VLR knows that the mobile station is in switch on condition, and even mobile station also receives acknowledgement message. So every connection is happening through radio resource connection. IMSI attach towards MSC, IMSI attach towards VLR, and acknowledgement from VLR and MSC. So 5 steps will be followed in IMSI attach location updating. On contrary, another one is IMSI detach. It is switch off condition in normal location updating. MSC and VLR knows, they stop processing the call to BSC and BS. This is IMSI detach, which is nothing but normally the power off. Periodic registration is the updating process which is used to avoid unnecessary paging of the mobile in the case of MSC not receiving IMSI detach messages. So this is periodic registration, that is nothing but informing the status of mobile station to MSC and VLR, started from system information, that is done by timer for periodic registration for 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 15 seconds. There are some timers which are used for periodic registrations on mobile station as well as MSC. It is a 4-step process. Timers are present in both MSC and MS, which controls them. When the timer in mobile station expires, MS performs location updating. That is the periodic registration type. The timers in the MS and MSC restart. MSC therefore put in a time scanning mode, and if MS does not register within that period or time, then the guard time, interval plus guard time, the scanning function of MSC detects that MS is now in detached state. That means it is in switch off state. Another important thing for the examination point of view is handover operation, intra BSC handover and inter BSC handover. So please go through all the PPTs and the steps. Intra means one BSC. Here one BSC is controlling the 2 cells. Inter BSC means one MSC which is controlling 2 BSCs, and these 2 BSCs are separately controlling other cells. This is inter MSC handover. 2 separate MSCs which are having 2 separate BSCs are controlling 2 cells.